Hi, friends. Look at all these letters. This one's… Huh? All the letters are gone. Where are they? Seems like some of them are back. Can we make a word out of them? Letters A, L, P, H, A again, B, E, and T. Alphabet! Yay, we got the board back! Now we just gotta find the missing letters. Hey, little chicks, let's put you in the right places. Blue. Where's its spot? Let me check something. Got it? We need a shell. Here it is. Orange. This is the place we need. And the shell. Red. We'll put it here. This egg is kinda sad. Green! Oh, it's a star. Here it goes. Dark blue! This is the correct spot. We need this shell, very expressive. Oops, we forgot to cover the green egg. Yellow. The last spot, and the shell. All done. Awesome job, guys. Now let me try something. It worked! We've got the letters A, B, and C. These are the first 3 letters of the alphabet. Hey there! The doors are locked. I see the keys. Let's see if these keys work. The yellow key for the yellow door. What's inside? Oh, it's a frog. The pink key for the pink door. Guys, look at this cute rabbit. There's something else inside. 2 letters, D and G. Next, the red door. Adorable. It's a fox. Now let's open the orange door. We found a donkey inside. Let's check the blue door. This is a dog. And finally, the bright orange door. We've got a horse. And something else. These are the letters E and H. Now we have 4 letters, D, E, G, and H. We need to put them in the correct spots. Wow, animal puzzles! Let's start with this one. Help me find this piece. Right. These are the front legs. And the body. Do you see the head? Here it is. Look at this mane. This animal is a lion. Its roar is so loud. Which is next? This one. Let's find the paws. Aha, here's one. And this is the other. Now the body. Gotcha. I guess it's wrong. This is the right piece. Now, the head. I think this is the one we need. This is a bear. It lives in the forest. And the last animal. I found its body. This is part of the tail. And the tip. Where's the head, guys? Yeah, here it is. This is a fox. It's a very smart animal. Huh? Whoa, we got 3 new letters. Well done. They're F, O, and X. Fox. I'm gonna put them in their places. F, O, and X. What could it be? Let's see. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. More letters. Let's see. I, J, K, L. Where did they go? I, J, K, L. Red, yellow, green, blue. What do we put here? An apple. A tomato. A ladybug. A flower. A bird. Now, the yellow box. A banana. A duck. A bee. A bell pepper. Another flower. The green box. A cucumber. A green flower. A grasshopper. A parrot. A pear. And finally, the blue box. A blue flower. A blackberry. A butterfly. An eggplant. A dolphin. Great job! What's our reward? Let's see. Woohoo! A letter! It's P! How about this box? Hooray! This is the letter N. Next one. The letter M. And the last box, it's the letter R. Letters M, N, P, R. Let's find where they go. M, N, P, and R. This number puzzle looks fun. What's this number? 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Is it 6? No, it's wrong. This is 6. 7. 8. And 9. The number puzzle is complete. Now what? Ah, it's time to use some magic. Abracadabra. It's a fire truck. I'll try again. Yay, a letter. Another one, and a ship. Let's try this one. One more letter. A plane! Friends, there's nothing here. Another letter. Let's see. Q, S, T, U. Where do they belong? Q, S, T, U. Red, green, pink, yellow, orange, blue. Let's check what's inside. A tomato. Next one. It's a peach. How about yellow? It's the letter W. What's in here? A watermelon. Which one? Blue. We've got grapes. And the last one. It's the letter V. So, we have V and W. Let's put them in their places. V. W. What a cool puzzle. This is the piece we need here. Do you see this piece? Yep, that's right. Now the eyes. It's the letter Y. Letter Y goes right after X. Time for music. Blue, green, yellow, orange, red, pink, white, blue. The last letter, Z. This is the last letter of the alphabet. Awesome, guys. Good job. Our alphabet is now complete. Thank you so much for your help. Bye.